How to fix Facebook jumping problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps. And on apps, you will scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook, you will go to storage. Then you will go directly to clear that. Then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fix it. So I hope this video it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.